And we're live, boys and girls.
Mm.
Alright, let me put this here. Let everybody know I'm currently in. Alright, we're live. Perfect. Sup, so everybody, my bad, guys. Guys, by the way, I'm sorry for being a couple of minutes, like 30 minutes late. I had an issue at work over here with one of the smoke shops. I caught somebody stealing, so I had to be there. One of the employees got caught lacking, I would say, so I had to pull up and fucking. Yeah, yesterday
One of your employees?
one of my employees low key got fucking caught lacking yesterday.
No
She
way.
well, so like they put a purse, they pulled up and they like it was some crackhead. She spent like $100 and something though. And she puts her purse on the counter and was like, like we have this at the smoke shop, right? I have like a disposable section where you could try it out and have samples. So like, if you never tried the flavor, I want you to low key like buy it, but you're not gonna buy it if you don't like it. So that's why I have like a testing center. And she took one of the samples, and so whatever, it's like $25 and all, but like after all, it's I still don't want that to happen.
An employee?
Not an employee, so like she got caught lacking in the sense as like somebody stole in front of her, but she didn't notice because she gave the customer her back. That's why I always tell the employees like never give customers your back. Always be on the lookout. Like give everybody your full attention. So we got like I have a surveillance team from Pakistan. That my partner owns like the surveillance team, so they were able to send me the footage of her stealing and her, and then I was able. She was wearing the same bag. That's the only reason I noticed it was her, because it kind of looked different, and I didn't want to like be stereotypical and like,
Yeah, jump to conclusions.
But when I saw the same bag, it was like a Louis Vuitton bag and the same exact one. I was like, yo, it's her. So I pressed the panic button. I called my partner. He pulled up like in 10 minutes. Bro, I need to buy a piece, low key.
Dude, I told you that after we watched that show on Netflix.
The cops took 15 minutes to get to the store after I pressed the panic button. My partner literally took like 17 minutes after, like from downtown to the shop and everything, and then after that, the cops got there and everything, and like the lady didn't even know the cops were there for her. She's like, "What's going on?" I'm like, "Oh no, it's just I had an issue earlier. I got her ID because she wanted to exchange. She came back because she wanted to exchange something. Like, how dumb are you?
What?
How dumb are you?" So I was like,
What?
"Give me your ID and the receipt, and I'll exchange it for you." And she gave me the ID, and I just kept her ID. And I didn't. The cops were like, "Oh, you want to press charges or arrest her?" And I was like, "Nah, bro. I just want her out. Give her a trespassing notice. So if she comes on one of my stores again, she's gone. Arrested for trespassing." So she tried paying for the object she stole after.
At least you didn't press charges though.
Nah, bro.
Fuck that shit, bro.
I've been arrested before, and I have no shame in saying that. But like, I know where it is to like get arrested. I'm not gonna fuck somebody's life up for just $25. Just
Yeah, not fuck that.
I just don't want that type of business anymore. Like from her at least. But yeah, sorry guys for being late. That's why I was late. I didn't mean to be late on purpose. But yeah, I'm currently in this gold trade. I like how so far I like how we rejected this area of resistance at 1785. Also, yesterday I was waiting for these gold buys to play out. I kind of got in too early. I ended up getting in like at, I don't know if you guys noticed when I sent the trade. I sent the trade like at 7. I want to say 7:30 in the morning, 7:45. I got in too early. I got clapped, and then the analysis ended up playing out. As you guys can see, my position was like right around here, in this area, right around here. So I got in the gold buys, right, and then what ended up happening was like I think I saw like 10 pips in profit, I would say, and then it just melted a shit ton, and then ended up coming back up with news, I guess. So I guess news for Powell speaking and all that ended up having gold rally up. So I ended up taking a second position on my same trade. I gave my trade a second chance. I was still able to secure 100 pips, so fuck it. That's why with these like high risk to reward trades, they may not always play out, and I'm okay with that. But that's why you guys have to understand, like, it's more patience with these trades. Like, you're not gonna catch a trade every day. There's gonna be nights where I'm not gonna catch a trade, and it's just part of the game, you know. I can't be expecting to catch trades all the time. So, yeah, YouTube. I called this trade here before I went live. I was with the VIP. We were just looking at it, and I just saw it, and I liked it and everything. So currently, currently we are a couple pips in profit, just like 6 pips in profit. So I like this trade also because we can. I see us coming tapping back into this range, especially after so much bullish momentum. I don't see us continuing to fly up. You know, we have to. We should see price retrace a little bit. So let's see. Let's see if we can come and secure TP1 and well, my TP1. I only have one TP. You know, it's either I hit take profit or stop loss. But you can secure profits with your 1-to-1 if you're in this trade. You know, 1-to-1 would be your 30
What's up,
pips.
JP?
What's up, brother? Oh, actually, you just reminded me I have to go over here and edit my stop loss. I put 30 pips and it's supposed to be 35 pips. Edit.
What's good, JP? What's good, boys?
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Chilling?
Yes,
What's up?
sir.
What's up?
Chilling like
What's
a
up,
villain.
Johnny?
What's up, boys? Dude, I just fucking missed an entry on GJ. I'm so mad.
GJ, what?
Yeah.
Buys or sells?
Buys, dude.
Oh, you low-key gave me a little bit more confidence on my trade just because, yeah, GJ and gold tend to do the opposite.
Look, go to the 15 minute.
Yeah, bro, it was clear.
Roo.
Yo, what up, bro?
Oh. Damn, that 15 minutes looking clean for that
Look,
little
zoom
scalp.
in a little bit.
Look, Botero.
Oh, fire, appreciate you. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go search with your brother real quick.
Dale. What a loser.
Right there, bro. Having stop loss right under that wick. Getting in literally right the break of the high.
Break of the high.
I
Like
would
right here?
literally at break of the high having 20 pip stop loss for buys. I would have been 1 pip almost at TP. I missed it, dude. I literally got in the charts.
What, your trade would be like right here?
20 pips. No, more down. Way more down.
Right here?
No, but you gotta put 20 pip stop loss first
Yeah,
for you to
I was
calculate it. Put 20. And then entry would be, and then move the entry up. Exactly.
Oh, yeah.
But like exactly where like the wick is.
I see.
Like move a little more up. Yeah, there we go. Entry would have been there.
Damn, yeah, you'd be like 2 pips a pip away from hitting TP.
Yeah, like and then that was like a level of support that we got to there on GJ.
Yo, GJ melted during Asian today. What the
Yeah,
hell?
GJ melted, bro. I saw
Look
that.
how clean these GJ breaking
I was in the
retests
charts
are.
like an hour ago.
GJ's so clean for breaking retests.
Bro, gold is
Yeah.
naughty, man.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, you should be TP already.
No way.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, shit. Yeah. We just secured 15 pips. Well, my TP is like 1770. So I'm like still a little far away.
You have an 80 pip stop loss, right?
I'm in-
80 pip take profit, my bad.
Yeah, I'm in 2 lots. I'm up 330 right now, so I'm up 15 pips.
Beautiful.
Yo, what the hell? I upgraded. Don't do this to me.
We'll do what? Oh, the Zoom?
No, my trading view. So you guys remember how I was talking about yesterday about how like this low key trading view be scamming and like they low key like remove your drawings. Like I know you guys noticed. Please tell me I'm not the only one that you guys noticed that my charts, my ranges were right here, and then I had my like TP and everything set and everything. They just removed it, and I thought by upgrading to the next one, They will not remove
Press.
it, and they still do
Try,
it.
listen. Try to press Control and C
Control
on your
Z.
keyboard.
I have a MacBook, by the way.
Oh, Command and C. Doesn't do anything. Oh yeah.
Oh, like
Keep pressing
undoes.
until you go back.
So, and you know it's happening every time I like go to another pair.
It's probably because you're not saving the charts though.
You gotta
There you go.
save. I thought it
It's because you
saves on
got a
its
hard
own.
time.
There you go.
I thought it saves on its own.
I mean, depend how you had it though.
I didn't even know.
It
Oh, I
does,
see.
but
Save. There, I just saved it. Oh, look, there has to be a shortcut. Command S.
you could
Look at
also
that.
press auto save. Make sure your auto save is on.
This is why I love you guys. Yeah, it is on.
It is on.
That's why I love you guys, because I've been learning from you guys too. Like, you know. So yeah, we're only like 15% profit. 23% profit. So the 1-to-1's about to hit soon.
So what's up, Snipes? How you doing?
Dude, I'm here disappointed that I got, like, dude, I went to the fucking bathroom and then I come back and it's flying. But other than that, I'm fine as fuck, bro. Waiting for just another setup. But, bro, that was the setup that I wanted, bro.
Damn, we're up $500 with this 2 lot. I didn't put in a bigger. I don't like putting more than 2.5 lots on gold, just cause like I've been actually working on my fixed lots, you know. I used to go and put 5 lots, 2.5, 2 lots, but also the reason why I like this trade is because we could be creating a double top here. We rejected this area of resistance yesterday. Since the zoom, I was bullish up until I said if we break 1765, I do see us coming to 1785 area. So if we come and tap 1785 and reject, I do see us consolidating a bit, forming some type of retracement, and then we can see what price is going to do at 1765 area as well. So we can come back and fall into this bottom of the range and fill this whole candle. So let's see, this 4 hour closes the way it's closing so far. It closes in 2 hours, so it's going to take some time for it to close, but let's look at the other time frames as well. The other time frames,
And
that
the
1
15
hour
minutes,
seems
it
to
looks.
be the 15 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, 15 minute looks pretty dope. I like how we're already breaking this area right here, this minor level of support that we formed on the 15-minute time frame.
The only thing you're gonna have in the middle is gonna be the 50 EMA.
The EMA, you use EMAs?
Yeah. I use a 50 though.
Where's your EMA at? You
It's
said- Take a look.
1773.90.
1779. Oh, okay. So you're seeing if it could possibly reject and then come back up? Possibly, yeah.
Yeah.
1770, yeah, that's a pretty nice area it can reject. I'll take that into consideration then. When it starts to reach that area, maybe I'll secure some profits and leave a runner. But I like this trade. I really like this trade a lot. Let's see if we've got any trend lines, any breakout of trend lines. I don't think we have much though. I don't think that's valid.
I'm gonna send my chart in the chat so you can see it.
Well, we do kind of have a trend line here, breakout of a trend line, but so far we're looking good. I think
Oh shit, I would have hit break even on the trade.
You're like 2 bits away.
Damn, but the entry right now was fire, and I missed it again.
you'll get a trade, brother. You always do.
I'm looking for an entry around 164.715. But now it already rejected it again. There it goes. At that price there, I'm able to have a fire stop loss. but now it's already ripping the fuck up again. Dude, it literally would have hit take profit 1 in like less than
So if you're in
30
this trade,
seconds.
if you're in this trade to scalp it, 1-to-1 just hit, you guys can secure profits, or you guys can
Damn,
keep holding.
bro. Gold is melting.
I'm gonna be holding this trade, like I said, guys, till my take profit. I want to see this trade low key. I might be moving my stops a little bit down, but if you're looking for that 1-to-1 trade, you guys can close your position fully or leave runners, put stops to break even. Because this area right here, let's see what it does at this area right here. We have some reaction, and we could set a little area of support there and come back and test this area of entry to continue to melt. Because guys, remember, gold, I mean, not gold, but anything, any pair really, just because it's melting, you know, like 35, 40 pips, it doesn't mean it's only going to melt. So we have to take into consideration that this trade can reverse, hit, break even, or even stop loss, and then continue to melt. So, but like I said, I'm going to be holding this trade till my TP hits. So if anything, I'll be managing my risk. If I see I'm hitting break even and I don't like the trade anymore, I'll be looking to get out possibly. But yeah, I like this trade. Oh, 15-minute opened with a bullish candle. Nice confirmation, creating a top wick. Let's see it flip. If it flips and breaks out of that previous wick, we could see gold melt a little bit more. Damn, I like that candle, how it opened up. Huh?
He's ripping the fuck up. Oh, that fucking candle.
Damn, we're up $800 with this two-lot.
For sure.
Jeez, for the tula? What a
Yes,
G.
sir.
Bro, I woke up at 2 a.m. and missed that 2 a.m. bearish candle on GJ that I would have been all over.
Yeah.
Tight. Now I gotta wait for the pullback.
What's that?
Bro, what's going on? Yours going down too.
Your JPY is going down and GJ's coming up. Oh, GJ. Oh, GJ. Are you gonna give me an entry, motherfucker?
Yeah, man, the EMA is fucking with gold right now.
Seems to be respecting it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Newspaper, baby.
How was London Open? Holy shit.
Damn, London Open, we opened up bullish. Huh? 3:02 a.m.
Did you secure any profits, JP? No, right?
No,
Okay.
I'm holding this trade. I'm holding this trade stop loss or TP. I'll probably be looking to manage my risk at break even. So,
Yeah.
but I'm up 30 pips right now, so let's see.
Yo, what you guys thinking right now? What's on your minds?
For DJ?
For anything in life.
Yo, my
But
brother,
yeah,
you sound a little,
especially for trading.
you
But
sound a
yeah,
little deep.
to talk to me.
there.
I want to hear what you guys like see on the markets right now.
The 15 minutes EA is rejecting right now. We'll see what it does. We got news at 5 a.m. though. The unemployment rates for
We
Europe.
got news at 5? Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, Lolo, is your name Lolo?
No, Abel.
Abel? Oh,
Yeah, I'm
wait.
Cuban though.
Have I ever
Oh,
met?
you're Cuban?
Have I ever met
Hey.
you?
Huh?
Have I ever met you?
No, no,
Oh,
no. Yesterday was my first day though.
were you the one who asked me who is this guy or something?
No, 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 it wasn't me.
Oh, I was gonna say like nice to meet you, bro. I was gonna like properly introduce myself, but nice to meet you because I just met you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yo, what part of Cuba are you from?
La Habana, San Miguel.
La Habana.
Yes, sir. Okay, okay.
Yo, don't say
You?
yo, you're gonna get my boy Snipes out here start dancing, listening to that Cuban music. He loves your culture.
You, Snipes?
El chocolate from from Cienfuegos.
Oh, cierto.
Well, my family's from there. Not really from there, but I've been
man.
there many times.
What's up, chat? What up, JK?
It's nice seeing Cubans out here, man. Educating
We're also
themselves.
here. Hell yeah, bro. Gotta do something for the country.
Mm-hmm.
You're probably going to give a cat.
But yeah, dude, I like EJ coming up here.
Yeah, EJ. It's reacting nice though.
EJ or DJ?
You guys don't like Euro, man? You guys don't like Euro USD?
That pair moves so slow. It kind of bores me, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
It bores you.
I feel like I can catch like more moves with more momentum with like GJ or like EJ, even EJ, but EJ same thing with EJ.
Yeah, definitely.
But I like how Euro USD you can trade it pretty clean. Like it's kind of like textbook trading, to be honest, which is pretty dope because it's simple. You know, there's
Yeah, it's
not
a good
many
thing, though.
fake outs. There's not like a lot of bullshit like other pairs, but
Yeah, it moves really nice. Though.
Yeah, I stick to two pairs. I don't really look at other pairs. I'm basically just married to these people, to these pairs. Damn. What do you think in Turkey Navy Space? What's your name, by the way? What's your like real name?
Oh yeah.
Is it a secret?
No, I don't really like say it because I'm a very.
Oh no, it's fine then. I'll just call you
Wait.
Turkey Navy Space.
are you in the Navy?
What was like cactusing, but honestly, I just dropped everything and focusing on Forex because Forex needs a lot of focus in it. But I'll be back definitely once I master this Forex stuff. I want to go back.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Don't want to be the drug dealer. Oh no. I'm not. I'm also a pilot.
Damn. What planes do you fly?
I'm sorry?
What planes do you fly?
Cessnas.
Cessnas?
Cessna.
Yo,
Yeah.
I low key would like a Cessna. Cessnas are pretty nice to like
Yeah.
fly. I heard.
Yeah. And Pipers too, they're pretty nice. They're lit. A bit faster, more fuel, more range.
I met I met a pilot today too who flies Cessnas.
Yeah.
Funny. It's not funny, but like funny story, I guess, but not too funny. This guy he buys like disposables, so these smoking devices from me, and he came back with like 6 devices. He says like, yo, like I don't mean to be that guy, but like they're all defective. Like I don't know what's going on. So I was like, damn, it's weird. Like, what are you doing to them? Like, you know, like I've never had this. And then today he came back and he was like, bro, I wanted to apologize. I know what it is. Is that when I fly up in the air, I guess
No way.
the pressure pops them, and they pop. So like the other day he had to do an emergency landing, cause he got scared or something, and then he realized it was his vape that popped, cause he didn't know what that noise was, and it was tripping him out. And
Oh my god, that's so bad.
I know this guy, bro. I was already starting to talk to like fume distributors and be like, bro, you guys selling me these things like defective? Are you sure you guys are getting the right ones? And like, you know, what's up?
I'm thinking about shit here. Kind of like GJ.
Gold will go up and hit your stop loss, then maybe head back down, but it's for sure going up, bro. Possibly, yeah. That's why I told anybody who got in this trade with me, you know, you guys can secure your profits now and take advantage that you're like up 30 pips in profit. You know, secure those profits. If you're going for that 1 to 1, you know, you're there right now. And you know, it's this is you can't just because it melted 35 pips. You if you're in this trade, you can't just stick to one bias and just keep expecting that it's gonna melt. But I'm managing my risk pretty well. I'm only in two lots, so I'm okay with my stop loss hitting. The risk to reward is there, you know. And if anything, if I'm at break even, I'll manage my risk properly. If anything, if I don't like the trade anymore, um, but it's possible. It's very possible that gold will come up, hit my stop loss, and continue to melt. Maybe gold is just retesting to continue to fly up. As long as I want to see gold break out of this area of support that we have here, which also coincides with your EMA, I believe. So if it breaks out of this area right around here, and we see candle closures below, I'll be more than chilling, and I wouldn't mind even putting my stop loss to break even. But we're just waiting right now. We're waiting for TP to hit or stop loss to hit, you know. And like I said earlier, like these are the trades that I'm focusing on, so I'm okay with stop loss hitting. My trades aren't always gonna win, you know. These are high risk reward trades. It's possible that I can go on losing streaks. It's possible I can go on winning streaks. You're not gonna win all of them, but that's why some nights I may not trade or days I may not trade because my setup may not play out the way I like it, you know. But that's what I like about this style of trading, that it'll reward me if I'm patient, you know. JK, yeah, I'm letting it run, brother. Seems let's see, it might hit my break even, but let's see. Can you analyze GJ for us? Yes, yes. I low key like GJ sells on this 15-minute time frame. Let's look at the bigger time frames. Just start
Yeah,
from
I like the GG cells.
damn, that 4 hour candle is kind of ugly though.
Yeah, I'm looking for cells. It's just a matter of like where exactly.
Look at that.
But
If
GJ,
it
the 4 hours
closes, if
about to
GJ,
flip though.
if this daily GJ candle closes like that, I see it's melting. And especially how we broke on the 4 hour time frame, we broke out of this area of support. We closed below. We're trading below this area of support, so we might see a little push to the upside, which is your retest, right? You might see some retracement come and tap this area of resistance, or probably not. The more it trades below, the more bearish I am. So I'm pretty bearish on GG overall though. Look at this 1 hour candle with no bottom. Oh, it does have a bottom wick. Very tiny.
Oh, what do you think of the
Tiny.
link, the setup I sent you on Zoom?
Oh, let me look at it, brother.
It's a sell on GJ potential. Kind of like grab liquidity, and then from there I cut him out.
So you're waiting.
Potential.
That's kind of what I'm looking at too.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. You can probably that's pretty nice if it comes. Be patient, wait for it to break out of this trend line you have set up. Let it come tap, let it retest after a breakout. Let it, you know, to fake out all the buyers, pick up buyers to fake them out, grab some liquidity here, and then just continue to let it reject first, trade up below that range area, and then you can continue to catch a sell. You could possibly even catch this whole move right around here, this whole move. But your 1 to 1 is pretty dope. It's pretty valid stop loss. Very valid stop loss. I like that trade. If it plays out.
Yep.
Just be patient, brother. Remember, this is the trade you're looking for. Just be patient so you can cash that trade. Oh, look, I think we probably hit. Hey, did it to me again.
Why don't you open a window for, a tap for each pair that you trade?
I'm gonna do
You
that
don't have
right
to go over
now.
the hassle.
I'm gonna do that right now, brother.
That was a high IQ move right there.
High IQ move right there, brother. I guess I have a low IQ because I didn't think of it.
What's up, bro? How's your trade going tonight?
Damn, gold.
So far, I saw 35% profit. Seems like we might hit break even. or entry, better yet said, because I don't know if I'm gonna close
Hold
at
it?
break even. No, I'll probably let my stop loss hit. I'm okay with letting stop loss hit, especially after yesterday's trade. Fucking caught a banger on gold last morning. Well, today in the morning, I guess, or previous morning. So I don't mind losing some of those profits, and it's not much that I'd lose. At 35 pips stop loss with 2 lot, I would lose like $600, less than 1%. I'm okay with that.
It's just part of the game, brother.
Oh, I did it again. There we
Yo,
go.
I haven't traded GU in so long.
I haven't even heard the pair GU in so long.
For real.
I haven't heard that pair in a while. All I hear these days is GJ.
GJ's pretty nice. I've been liking GJ
Yeah,
lately.
Everyone loves GJ apparently.
I just love gold. I have like gold has a special heart in my place.
There's a special place in your heart, you mean?
Yeah, that. you got the message. Caesar. Yeah. If you caught the 1-to-1, it was a banger trade for sure. Saw no drawdown whatsoever. I think very few people were able to really, catch the trade with me because I called it like before going live on YouTube. I was just like on the chart, just waiting for in order to get here and everything, and then I saw it play out and I liked it. And I just told everybody I was gonna get in, and then I sent it to the chat and everything. So, but no drawdown. That was pretty dope. That's why I'm okay with seeing drawdown. I guess that's why I'm okay with seeing some drawdown. Like I'm actually not okay with seeing drawdown because who the hell wants to see drawdown ever, of course. But like at the end of the day, I didn't see any drawdown. I guess
You're not scared of it.
yeah, like I'm open to seeing drawdown. But put some music in this, some little lo-fi.
Oh.
I've been messing with the lo-fi vibe. Your brother should have kept on with that lo-fi music. I'd be playing his stuff right now.
I know. He's just busy, man. He fucking works like a dog.
I know it's fucking being an engineer is so life consuming.
Yeah, bro. That guy works
Time
like
consuming,
crazy.
life consuming. Did Daniel call anything? I don't know, brother. I'm not a part of his VIP, or do I really pay attention to see if he calls trades, brother? Sorry. Maybe somebody from the YouTube could let you know if he did or not. I don't know. Bro, I think he hit your stop loss. Who hit my stop loss? Did somebody call opposite trader or something? I don't know. He will sry. Sry? What do you mean? He will sorry. Oh, he will sorry.
What?
Probably. I mean, he's a London trader, so I'm pretty sure he might call it trade on London. But he's a beast. He's a goat. That's a goal right there. So. Let's look at the 4-hour on gold.
You say you're calm. He was trying to troll you.
You rapping, Rue?
Nah, I said in the YouTube comments. You say you're so calm. He was trying to troll you, probably.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't really. I don't know. I like you guys. I like the chat. I like all the viewers that we have. I like everybody in the Zoom. So far, we haven't had any toxicity ever at all. Even with Snipes, like when we traded New York, I feel like safe to say that there's never been any toxicity, which is pretty dope. So that's what keeps me calm too. And also I'm pretty calm just cause like I caught a nasty ass trade early in the morning, so like I'm like up as fuck with profits. I'm only risking profit money at this point. It's the way I see it. I have a pretty nice stop loss. So I'm okay. I'm also calm because like this whole situation, what happened with the smoke shop earlier, I'm still thinking about that. Like I'm really not like, I'm just shocked. Like, dude, how can that shit really has me like, damn. And I'm just thinking about a lot of things with what happened. Snipes, you missed it. I don't think you know. So we have a surveillance team at the smoke shop, and
Yeah.
yesterday some lady stole something from one of the employees, and they took a picture of her and she left, whatever. So today she came back. When I was closing the shop, she came back. So she's like, "Oh, you guys still open?" I was like, "Yeah, yeah, I'll take care of you. Don't worry." I
Oh
didn't know
my
it was
god.
her though. I didn't know I wasn't. But then I saw the message, and then my partner called me, and then he was like, "Yo, that's the lady who stole something yesterday." And I looked at the picture, and it was her. So he's like, "Bro, fuck her. Call the cops on her." And I was like, "Sure." He's like, "Bro, call the cops." And I called the cops, and then they got there like in 15 minutes, bro.
And
Like,
what happened though with the lady?
she tried paying for what she stole, but we told her that we didn't want her money to just leave. We just don't want to see her at any of our stores ever again.
She came in the store after wanting to pay.
After stealing.
No, the cops told her, like, honestly, like,
Oh,
the cops were like, "Oh, we should arrest you." Like, just
so she was in the shop for 15 minutes.
yeah, because I was distracting her because I was just
Oh,
trying
you're
to
such a G, dude. Oh my god.
I even for those 15 minutes I even had her ID because she was trying to exchange something. So I told her, "Give me the receipt with your ID." So I kept her
Yeah.
ID and she forgot about it. And then so I was just distracting her. She was with her friend and shit. So I was just like trying to. She was looking at products, and so I was just trying to like distract her and like just be calm about the whole situation, just so she not like think anything. And
Yeah.
then when the cops got there, she was started getting all nervous and shit. And then that's when I gave the cops her ID, just in case, you know. And I gave
Yeah.
it to them discreetly and everything. She didn't even notice I gave the cops like her ID. The cops come in like 2 minutes later after running her ID, and they're like, "So, excuse me, Anna." They look at her ID and she turns around. She's like freaked out. She's like, "What the fuck?" And they give her ID back, and she's like, she didn't even know what to say. She was like shocked and shit. But yeah, dude, this is why like I respect cops and all, but like, dude, when I pressed the panic button discreetly, like they took 15 minutes to get there.
It's a long time.
That's a long time. Like,
Yeah.
I didn't even have like a shop with me or anything. So
Yeah,
like,
they could have been holding you up at gunpoint for all they know.
yeah, if they could have literally held me at gunpoint, robbed the whole store in those 15 minutes, and gotten away with it. You know. So I
Yeah.
was just like I was not tripping. I was just thinking the whole time. I was like, damn, these cops are fucking. They're like, it's unbelievable. Yonio got there like 2 minutes after the cops did, and the cops live like are in that area, and Yonio's in downtown.
Yeah.
He was hitting like 160 miles per hour the whole
For
time,
real?
drifting, taking red lights, everything. He got there and
Yo.
everything and shit. I was like,
Like I was in a movie.
yo, facts. That's why I was like, yo, what's up, bro? Let me call
That's
you back.
literally a movie. What the fuck?
That's literally that could be like an episode of a series.
What's up, Sean? Yeah, I'm in this trade right now. I got in at 1779. We saw 35 pips in profit. We were 35 pips in profit. We're still in profit. So I'm just waiting at this point for either stop loss to hit or for TP to hit. Snipes, GJ gave you mad re-entries.
No, I'm waiting, dude. I'm waiting for sales. That's what I was waiting for, but apparently it's bullish.
Well, let's see what it does at this minor level of resistance, which is pretty clean. Let's see if we break out of that area and tap into this.
I
over
don't.
here.
We still haven't closed above like the resistance I have here. So I have a feeling that we're gonna come here and we're gonna flip on that on the next candle, like on this candle right now. 7 minutes left. 15-minute candle.
I'm talking about this area here at 165, 150.
165. No, I have a resistance a little bit under. Yeah, I have a resistance at 165.05.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, I have that area marked up. And I'm waiting for it to come back inside that area. Because it's already too high for me to buy. I'm not looking to buy here. But I mean, bro, buys might actually play out here. Because we're bullish. But I don't like getting in that high in the market.
She came back looking for more
I
stuff
believe
to
for
sell.
buys we lay already.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm break even this week. I'm trying to get at least one dub before it's over. So let's work with me, GJ.
Who's ripping that thing, huh?
Huh?
Who's about to rip that thing?
Yeah, Rue's always ready. Sean, yeah, the 1 hour is, well, let's see. This 1 hour, if it flips bearish, I do feel confident. Look how we rejected these buys. So I'm still confident in this trade hitting TP. That's why I'm still in too. So let's see.
What are you seeing in this trade?
So in this trade, I like how we created on the
GJ.
4 hour time frame. As you guys can see here, if we go here, I like how we seem to be creating a little double top, right? We have this area right around here, and then we seem to be creating the same over here. So I like how we also respected this area of resistance, 1785. 1785 is high key a pretty strong area for gold. If you guys look at the daily and we look to the left, look at all this, look at this whole area, look at how much reaction we have at this area. Look at all this, how it trades right below it, reaction, we have reaction, rejection, reaction, a whole bunch of reaction and rejection at this area. We broke out, we respected this area of resistance as well. Broke out, came back. Now we seem to be trading around this area too. So let's see, I also like how we had on the 4 hour time frame, we had a big bullish push. So we should see some type of retracement to the downside. I do see us hitting at least 1766, testing that area again. So 1765 will tell us if price wants to continue to melt or continue to the upside. But this area 1773 is seeming to be playing with it pretty strong. We have some good reaction here as well. So let's see what we do. In the 1 hour time frame, it's looking, I like the 1 hour time frame low key. Hopefully it just doesn't create a little range here, but if it creates a range, I'd be okay with it too. Just because if we're closing below and ranging in this area, if I see a breakout of that range that we create, I'll feel more confident. If I see us breaking out to the upside, that's when I'll probably start looking to maybe manage my risk and cut my losses at break even, or well, if it's a loss at break, if I cut my position at break even, it's not a loss. But if I'm in drawdown at that point, maybe I'll cut my losses short, depending on how long I've been holding the trade for. Yo, Snipes, that live performance video you dropped is filthy. Yeah, the show is
So
dope.
good. Oh shit, Sean. Thank you, Doc. Thank you. Appreciate it.
I meant GJ, bro. Gold is a clean sell, especially because your entry's at the top. Yeah, that's why I also like my entry, because I got it at the top. So, I really, for price to come up all the way to my stop loss, that could mean price just wants to buy, But we melted 35 pips, so for price to come and hit my stop loss, it has to rip up 70 pips. Will it rip up 70 pips in GJ? Let's see. Or will it rip down 70 pips in my TP? Let's also see. Let's see. Let's check out Invis real quick. See how the pairs are performing. Yeah, gold seems to be bullish over here. Dollar seems to be not performing that well. Damn, dollar's bearish against the Japanese yen. GJ seems bearish. This is an update. I don't like that. Forex Factory. Let's see if there's any news coming out soon. Maybe tomorrow, today. Red folder news. 8:30 a.m. 10 a.m. as well. We got some news tomorrow. Damn, so there's 31 days left to this year ends, guys. Have you guys achieved your goals? Are there any goals you guys are wanting to achieve before the year ends? What are you guys gonna do? What do you guys think about this? The last month of the year.
I want to try to get my first payout.
You will, brother. Just keep doing what you're doing, brother. Keep grinding.
Yes, sir.
I'm just trying to keep doing what I'm
so
doing.
concentrated here because I'm thinking of GG sells, but I'm literally like, I don't want to miss anything. But I think, dude, this shit probably about to sell off right now.
But what range you got for GA though?
I have a range from 165.05 and 164.55.
5.5. Yeah, same one I got.
Yeah, GJ looking on the 5 minute rejection. Just being patient.
I want to see what happens here. You see there, we just closed the 5 minute.
Oh, it's a 30-minute rejection.
That reaction was nasty.
Yeah, but I don't like how it closed doji like that. I hate seeing dojis because it's so like undecisive of where it wants to go next. That's what I've noticed. We could even wick fill that and then keep on going up just because it closed like that.
I believe it's gonna go up until like 165 or 44. Somewhere around there.
How's the sesh? You look high as fuck, brother.
Yeah, but I'm living now because of that coffee.
No way.
That coffee got me alive.
Coffee and bud, huh?
Something like that.
Maybe we should open one of those.
That it already exists, bro.
Not in Miami.
Yeah, that's because of the fucking laws.
We'll make a new law, bro. Maybe we have to hit up DeSantis. Freedom Trading Coffee Shop.
Holy moly.
I honestly wouldn't want to open up one of those after what happened today. Fuck that. You attract a whole bunch of fucking sketchy people and weird people to come and fucking chill at your shop, and then you can't even kick them out because they're customers.
Yeah. That's a rough situation, sir.
I finally got funded a month ago. I started my trading journey this year. My last goal for the year is to get my first funded trader payout. You will, Sean. Manifest it.
Here you go, bro.
You
Good
will,
shit.
brother. Just secure payout, brother. Don't get greedy, you know. Preserve your capital. You want to enter the year with an account or no account. So just keep doing what you're doing, brother. You got funded. You got funded for a reason. Just because you did what you were doing, what you did worked out. So keep doing what you did to get funded, and you'll get a payout. And you end up getting more than what you expected. If you don't think about the money, just focus on the percentage, my brother. You're a beast. Keep killing it.
Yeah. I'm looking at both pairs right now. EJ and GG at the same time. Trying to see what the fuck, what direction this shit wants to go, bro. I have a feeling EJ wants to start going up, bro. I have a feeling EJ wants to start coming up here.
What's up, Adnan?
Oh man.
Yeah, I think we're getting a steeper pullback. And GJ, you want me to be honest with you?
Like, you think it's gonna keep on going up?
Yeah, I think
Yeah, me too. Me too.
like it'll retest the structure probably at 165, 560.
Things that EJ and GJ are correlating so weird right now. It's like, bro,
don't they always correlate?
yeah, but right now they kind of do the opposite for like 5 minutes, and then the next 5 minutes they're like correlating, and it's like, bro, where the fuck you going?
Yo, so I had McDonald's today and
Bro.
I made a new sauce. Maybe I didn't. Maybe you guys already know about this sauce. So mixing ranch with spicy buffalo and barbecue sauce.
And barbecue?
And barbecue sauce. Mixing
where it
it,
gets sketchy. That's where
mixing
it
it
gets
all
sketchy.
together.
That's where it gets sketchy.
You've
the
never
barbecue sauce.
never had spicy barbecue sauce?
I'm not
yes,
a ranch guy.
Like I've had the buffalo sauce and I've had the ranch mixed together, and that's fire.
Try it with the buffalo sauce next time.
And
brother.
then when you throw in the barbecue, that's where you get me all.
Try
all
it with the buffalo sauce. And no, I did not have any stomach aches. I did not have any,
Not yet.
No, not at all. That was like 12 hours ago.
There's still time, brother.
So it worked. The recipe worked.
It worked. I don't want to get too explicit, but my poop was solid and all. Like,
Oh, hey, yo.
what's up, Jose?
Yo, what's going on, man?
Jose popped in at the wrong time. He pops in. He starts hearing us talking. He's like, "Oh man, let's see what trade ideas they're talking about." We're just talking about
Nah,
sauce ideas.
nah, no trading ideas. I got my own idea.
No, I know. I'm just messing with you, brother. Did you trade today, brother?
Today? No, not today. I just woke up a little while ago.
Nice. Did I just hear that?
What was that?
I thought I heard a word of
I know exactly what word you heard. I don't think that was the word.
A uno enfermo.
Yo, you saw US 30, man?
No,
It's some bullshit.
what did US 30 do?
Exactly what I said it was gonna do after taking me out.
Of course.
Then why did you consider giving your trade a second chance?
Second chance, bro. I was working my ass off. I didn't have a chance to even look at the trade.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. US 30 fucking breaks out of this previous candle. Probably looks good for the sales. It's
All right,
just
boys, I'm in on EJ buys. EJ buys.
EJ buys.
EJ buys right now. Yeah.
What's your entry?
Literally right now, 142.300. Let's pray for the Euro JPY gods right now.
142.200.
Yeah.
And stop loss.
Right under. 142.098.
Take profit would be 144.
142.098.
And you take your TP.
142.504.
Oh. Damn, tight ass stop loss. I like that 1, 2, 3 trade. Sheesh.
Let's see. I usually don't get in this high, but let's see.
I think you hit TP, brother.
I think I should.
Don't
I think you believe in love, anything is possible.
talk to
You
you
got a
about
200 or 300?
right now.
142.500 is take profit one. It's 20
Your
pips.
entry was?
142.300.
No, okay, gotcha.
I like it. I don't think it's bad.
I like this trade. I see it coming, tapping this area right here. This area resistance in the 15-minute time frame.
And there's a lot of buyers volume right now. The 15.
Yeah, there's not a lot of bearish momentum at the moment.
Bro, what I'm scared of is this 15-minute closing back or that red candle previously closed.
Yeah, I was looking at the same.
Like indicating that there's like not that much volume for this thing to play out. But if we start breaking highs right now, then we could definitely start getting some volume.
You called this for
Especially
the,
my first
did you call it for the
London.
chat?
What?
Did you call it for the chat?
Yeah, I called it for my chat. If it starts breaking the highs, I'll call it for the Freedom Trading chat.
How do you like that coffee?
It's fire. How did you stop at you stopped at a gas station?
Yeah. Oh shit, bro. You gotta close it and shake it.
Oh. Cause
Chocolate and shit. Yeah. I think you're good, brother.
yeah. It's like a chocolate milk. Feels like I'm drinking chocolate milk. Mommy.
Hey, yo. That was sus.
I'm in as well with Snipes. Sheesh. Couple people gonna make some money. Trying to correlate different pairs. Definitely why I had losses.
Let's hold this motherfucker.
See, oh, gold seems like it's gonna hit my break even.
Yeah, man, the EMA.
That EMA was nasty. Nasty rejection right at the EMA.
Yeah, man.
I don't use EMAs, so that's why I didn't really close profit. I didn't secure profits or you know, make a decision based off that EMA. It was just nice to know, you know. But now I know, like, you know.
Yeah, man. For me, it works pretty nice, though. I'll send you my shot.
That was
I mean, it
pretty
didn't
cool.
actually tell shit, but it was supposed to.
And we're coming back to close right here, bro. Oh my god, fuck. Alright, let's see what happens here. That's a special area right there. The 142.200. That's where it's gonna tell us where we're going. They're getting a little late though.
If it closes like that, I'm not like it that much.
Oh yeah. Dude, and this is my first London trade in a while.
You didn't take no trades yesterday?
No, yesterday I didn't take a trade.
I ended up calling a trade like at 7:30 in the morning, 7:45. I got clapped on my first entry, yeah, and then I gave my trade a second chance and ended up securing like 100 pips, more than 100 pips. Like with 2.5 lots, I secured on one position 1.9, and on another one I secured like 1.8. Come on, we need this candle to close bullish. And not like this, a little bit
It's
more
struggling here, bro, it's struggling.
Yeah, there's a lot of fighters,
but
there's a lot of fighting
in these
going
2
on.
minutes, if we actually get that London volume, bro, that I used to receive when I used to trade London, then we could definitely start pushing up here. But, I don't know.
GJ is still holding kind of strong.
GG's also just there. GG stayed right there, bro. EJ started rejecting.
I don't see nothing clear right now.
Fucking Euro, fucking netted 40 pips. on Euro USD, so the Euro might be kind of weak.
This trade was actually tough. That's you though.
I mean,
I've been through shit like this where like trade is looking so bad and I was actually able to hold and I would win trade. I don't know if it's the case on this one. I'm gonna hold to stop loss here, but I'm pretty sure this shit's about to flip right now, bearish. Should I close EJ? Bro, hold to stop loss. Please
I'm
hold to stop loss. Just because then you get out, and then at that moment you get out is when we're actually going to win the trade. It's better to lose a little bit more than to get out early. That's what I've learned in these years that I've been trading, bro. Just hold your shit.
Yo, tell me how I got 54 pips on gold yesterday, right?
yeah.
But I actually flew 100.
No. Yeah, gold. There's a lot of gold ripped up yesterday.
Man, but after this is the problem about holding, right? Is that you go into the position, and unless you got a really, 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 really good entry, like it's gonna get you out before going higher. So
In the past 3 days, gold has ripped up 400 pips. And in just half a day, we've seen gold push for 150 pips. I still like this trade, even if I'm in stop loss, I'll still like this trade. I wouldn't even mind giving my trade a second chance, to be honest.
The gold trade?
Yeah, but if I get stopped out, I might not trade tonight. I might trade tomorrow with the news if I'm up or something, you know.
man, I really want to buy gold after it breaks there.
After it breaks this area right around here.
Yeah, if it
1785.
breaks that
If it breaks
area,
1785, and we see candle closures above 1785, and
I'll buy that shit to the moon.
we could see it hit 1800. When was the last time it hit 1800? Not too long ago.
I'm gonna put 150 pips stop loss.
Then August was the last time we see it hit 1800. I think gold is gonna be seeing 1800 for sure if we start to close above here.
Yeah, I'm playing around, but if you draw a position right now to be safe, what you got? 150 pips?
Where?
Like if we draw a position as a buy from there all the way to the top, a 1-to-1 is like 100 pips.
Yeah, we'd have to. A 1-to-1 would be looking like something like this.
100 pips, 200.
Yeah, I'm looking for these GJ sells.
For GJ sells?
Yeah.
I don't know why, boys, but I have so much hope in this trade.
It's looking a little bit nice. It's giving me some hope.
Dude, I have hella hope on this trade right now. Because, dude, I've seen this before. I've definitely seen this before. I don't want to jinx it, but yeah, no, I'm good.
What time frame are you looking at?
What happened? What happened?
On one time frame you're looking at it?
I was looking at this trade on the 15-minute time frame.
You got in on the 15 minutes?
Yeah, 15-minute time frame trade.
And we got it on the top of the camera.
Yeah, no, we got fucking clipped.
We got this.
Overall target. Overall target.
I think we were about to wait for this motherfucker. See, and then hopefully no one got out. If you guys got out, that's where you're fucked.
look
That's
at
your
that.
biggest error in trading. That's the reason why you have a stop loss.
Big facts.
To get out whenever.
Yo.
Look, now we're literally about to be back at entry, and then someone asked me if I should get out. If you would have gotten out right there, you would have been feeling so fucking bad.
Facts. That's why.
Hopefully you didn't get out. Hopefully you didn't get out. But bro, I've gone through that shit, bro, where it's like bro, it looks so bad that I get out. And then the moment I get out, that's where it starts going your way.
Painful.
It's painful, bro. It sucks. It's worse than losing a trade. So, bro, that's why you have a stop loss. Like, just hold your stop loss. If you're thinking of getting out, it's because you're risking more than 1%.
Good shit, Adnan.
What up, gang? Dímelo, José, ¿cómo estás, José?
Todo bien, man. I'm a punto de ir para el aeropuerto.
What's up, Angel?
What's up, JP? What is it good?
Snipes
What's
is
good,
in,
what's good?
Snipes is in the
What's
EJ
good, Snipes?
trade. And
What's good, Angel? Chilling?
Yeah.
I'm here kind of in a sticky situation here.
Yeah, I see it.
But
I'm in GE sales right now.
GJ sells? Oh, good
Yeah,
shit.
JJ definitely look like sales, but then I don't got my
Bro,
confirmation
my only
yet.
concern on GJ, it's the 4-hour candle, man.
Or,
4-hour candle?
Yeah, on GJ.
Damn.
With that fat ass rejection?
Yeah.
that's your only concern? Okay, that's good. That's your only concern. Yo, John, that 4-hour rejection in GJ rejected the 800 MA right there on that level. It's like 3 rejections.
Yeah, I see.
So
Yeah,
hopefully, man, that will drop it for you, but
hopefully tonight's not the night that GJ and Gold go against each other, because if that's the case, then Gold is gonna go
both
down.
trades will go.
Yeah.
Goes that way.
Hey, but I rather you guys win. It seems like more people are in GJ and EJ, so hopefully you guys win.
I'm not in nothing yet,
Hopefully
so
nobody
I'm
gets
waiting
stopped
for all
out.
you
You
guys.
still on gold? JP, you still on gold?
JK, I've been on Gold. I never got out. Yeah, I got in on hit 1779. This is my entry right here. I'm currently in.
Look, we're about to be back at entry. Beautiful.
GJ's pushing up too.
Dr. Snipes, real quick. Can
What's
you
good with
do like a 1-minute breakdown on Euro JPY real quick?
You wanna control
yeah,
my
of course.
screen, Giovanni?
what happened?
You wanna control my screen so that you can give the breakdown?
Yeah. Actually, can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Alright, but
I stopped sharing my screen, guys.
Oh, GJ's
you
Yeah,
pushing.
gotta enable the host.
Oh,
All right.
Save.
You're
Okay,
good.
yeah. Okay. Alright, here, boys. We're back at fucking entry. Doesn't it feel good to not get out of trades? Alright. So, breakdown. Let's see. Right, so the reason why I got in this trade is because... Okay, don't reject on me like that. Chill. Alright, so the reason why I got in this trade is because over here, I noticed that we were gaining some bullish momentum over here. We rejected over here this area over here, which was very strong, which I kind of saw here on the daily. We've had this area here that we've been rejecting. right? So I decided from that rejection to have a buy, to have like a bullish bias, right? So then over here, this candle over here was here breaking these highs. We thinking with the London volume, we were gonna start coming like at least closing above over here, or even with this candle coming up here and hitting my TP. But I mean that wasn't the case, right? We do look like we're kind of bullish, and it's good that we didn't get stopped out, because if we would have gotten stopped out, we would have been bearish. But over here, if you notice, people who got in on sells that are on this area, they're getting clapped right now. All right, so that's what's giving me hope on the trade, right? But if you notice, I had a clean stop loss here, 20 pips, right? My 20 pip stop loss. I was pretty confident that, bro, like we shouldn't come over here and flip at this moment. My only down on the trade was that I did get in high. I don't like getting in high like this. If I would have been honest with you, I would have rather gotten in over here, around this area here, keeping stops right over here.
Okay.
Okay, this would have been a little bit cleaner. Getting in here, like at this candle over here. There, let's see if we would have hit take profit. There we would have hit take profit. So that was the trade. That was the Dr. Snipes trade. But I did fold on getting in a little late, and I might be paying some consequences here for getting in late. But bro, I still have hope on this trade. Let's see what happens.
Overall TP is like maybe 600.
Overall TP, honestly, bro, I'm just trying to scalp the shit out of this. Just get out 20 pips. But I wouldn't leave a little runner over here breaking these highs.
Yeah, definitely.
But yeah, that's my trade.
Nice.
It's not a Dr. Snipes entry, but
yeah,
it's still a trade, bro.
Yeah.
I used to trade like this, and I used to trade London sessions. So
I appreciate it.
Here, JP, I'll give you back the stream.
Well, it doesn't range until news, though.
Bro, yeah, hopefully we do some shit. There, JP.
We're still in a lower time frame range. On EJ, yeah, that's what I see, this range area right here.
Best case scenario, we rip up 100 pips. Yeah, that's probably best case scenario.
Yeah, right? Oh,
We'll get this, bro. We'll get this.
I think you'll be fine. We just need this. We need this 15-minute candle to close where it's closing above this area of resistance. If it can close where above these wicks, it'd be nice. But we can't ask for too much, you know. Let's see what the market gives us. And
right now, it's rejecting at the supply.
Yeah, honestly, I needed to close above those wicks, because that was my intention on the trade. That was my intention, for it to close above all those wicks. There, I would have been safe, but I wouldn't like it for it to close where we're at right now. That would suck.
We could have a new volume, the new hourly candle. So we got 2 minutes, 3 minutes for that.
Oh shit!
The only thing I see is rejecting that supply zone over there, over here, the 15 minutes.
this area right here.
The other one on top of it. Let me send you real quick mine.
Oh, I see this area right here.
Wait, but JP, is that my trade?
Yeah,
No, my entry's not there, JP.
Oh.
I'm at break even right now, dude.
Oh, I thought you were in profit.
I mean, we're in profit right now.
No. Wait, what?
Yeah,
Isn't this your trade? What's your entry?
No, dude, my entry's at 300.
Yeah.
Oh. That's what I was
We're
confused
we're in
earlier.
profit right now, but not that much in profit.
Yeah, I was confused earlier. I was like, when I asked for entry, I guess I
Dude,
confused myself.
JP.
That's why I was like, that's
Dude,
why I was, that's why I was
I
like,
wasn't even.
I was like,
What?
damn, 1, 2, 3 trade, let's go. And then you were talking about 1 to
No.
1, and I was like, wait.
Yeah, I was confused too because he said some shit earlier.
Yeah, I guess I didn't hear you. Let me clean my ears real quick.
No.
But you're in profit.
I wasn't
Right now,
even.
like-
I wasn't even. Yeah, I wasn't even looking at the screen. I was just looking at my charts. And then I look up to see your chart, and I'm like, yo, wait. Did this shit just fly up like 20 pips in 1 second?
Yeah, we're manifesting it, brother. I'm manifesting it.
That was a future trade. That was a trade in the future.
Silly me.
Man, hopefully broke that supply zone right there.
Yeah.
I think stop loss open, yeah?
Well stressed, but you still making money. No, I'm not that stressed, bro. I'm just here risking 1%. You know. I am trading a bunch of accounts though, which is kind of. But I'm still chilling, bro. I have like a bunch of accounts that people ask me to trade and shit.
This is your chart, Lolo?
Yeah, that's mine. That's the supply zone right there that it was rejecting, no?
Oh, I see.
Okay, so I like how we closed here on the 15, and on the 30, and on the 1 hour. That was nice. Now we just gotta.
I like your
Now we
chart,
just gotta. This.
low key. It looks dope. I like how you have it set up and laid out. It's pretty nice.
No,
It's
I have an
different.
algo that it automatic, draw the supply zone and demand zone. So that's a good thing about it.
So what the yellow candles are like at
Yellow
supply
candle,
zones?
okay, the
Demand
candle is red,
zones.
but when it turns yellow, that's bullish volume coming in.
Oh.
And the green candle, when it turns blue, that's bullish
bearish.
volume coming in. Yeah. And then you see a supply zone. I mean, those zone, when it turns the other color, that means that it broke it.
Made $110, bro. Thanks, Snipes. Hey,
Let's
good
go.
shit. Good thing you didn't get out, motherfucker. That was the same guy that asked me to get out in drawdown.
Tell him, how you feeling right now?
He feeling good right now. I'm pretty sure he just learned some shit.
Fine.
Damn, 2 wins in London session.
Yeah, there. All right, let's see. But it looks nice. I don't think there should be a reason why we should come stop loss now with this fucking bullish momentum we have here.
Oh, I hate these SMAs, bro. These lines,
Yeah, dude, I don't have SMAs on me.
they're brutal, bro. They get me nervous.
Did you guys see my chart? I literally didn't have anything on my chart.
Yeah.
I didn't have anything. I didn't even have support and resistance here on EJ. I just saw it. I don't know, bro. The more I've been trading, the less shit I'm using.
I think
some
as
reason.
long as you know, as long as you know support and resistance and you have a
Exactly.
visual idea of where
I
it's
know.
at. That's what I was
Yeah.
explaining yesterday. Like you don't have to have your charts laid out. Just as long as you have a visual representation of where your support and resistance are, you're good. Even if you don't use support and resistance, you should at least know those areas.
I mean, it helps if you have it right there because you can see the
Yeah,
chart clear.
I agree with you. Me personally, I'm the type of person where I have to see things. So if I don't
Me
have
too.
my support and resistance, I may not feel as comfortable. But at least when I don't have it, I can at least see it with my eyes and then set it up. Of course, that's how I set up. It's blank, then boom, I see it, it's set up. But it helps me keeping it.
Got it.
But everybody's different.
No, dude, I have my support and resistance on GJ here, but I didn't have it on EJ. Because I don't know, it kind of looks the same as GJ. I have my shit on my other screen, so it's like, I don't know. But I do use support and resistance most of the time. Because I like having it there, for sure. But I don't know, bro. All I'm trying to say is that I'm trying to I see myself using less shit over time. I used to use SMAs. I used to use Fibonacci's. I used to use everything
Yeah.
on my screen. I used to have 1,000 indicators.
I used to even
Two
have
years,
volume.
2 years and a half later, now I have less shit on my screen, and I'm making more money.
Yeah.
So I see something here.
No, the ones that I have, man, is because I have a friend of mine that he codes them. You know, he made the indicators.
Oh.
Oh
That
shit.
guy is a go. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The ones that I have, those are in bytes only.
Oh
And
shit.
it draws everything by himself, so you don't have to draw anything.
Oh fire.
Programming is pretty cool, low key. You can just set commands to like do
Yeah,
things.
man,
It's
it's
like if you
amazing.
think about it, like you're literally giving your computer or your platform or app, whatever, instructions on what to do, and it just does it on its own. Pretty cool.
I know a little bit though. I know a little bit of programming, but
What
it's crazy.
what programming do you know?
JavaScripts.
Nice. I took a
But
C
this
plus.
the algo that you just saw,
Uh-huh.
man, the algo has like 1,200 line of code.
Damn.
So it's crazy. It takes time.
I learned a little bit of C++. Like that's why I feel comfortable. Like I can read code, but I just don't know what code to use. Like I don't know which variables to input. You get me? But I know how to. I can read a code, like a whole script, and I can understand it. But
nowadays you don't need it that much, man. Nowadays there's a lot of programs out there that you don't basically you don't need anything.
Yeah,
You
like
don't need any
Shopify is
code
pretty
experience.
cool. How like Shopify, you don't need any coding experience, yet you still like can like code in a way, and it just inputs it for you and automatically.
Yeah. And there's a lot of pages out there that you go to a website and you basically copy the code and paste it somewhere else, and you clone the page or the software.
I know that coding is probably one of the best jobs in the world right now. I know those motherfuckers. Those motherfuckers can make hella money if they pull up to like, I don't know, any company or any business and be like, "Yo, I got you with a website," or like.
But you don't need code for that, Snipes. I'm the guy who takes you in my business account, and I do websites for a lot of people and a lot of business over here in Miami, and you don't need. Code.
Because what you do it through Shopify.
Snipes, take over real quick my screen. Can you move it around? See?
Yeah, I can move it.
I bet.
What was I gonna say? Where do you make websites from?
WordPress. No, I make everything from scratch. Yeah, on WordPress.
Oh, okay.
Shopify is more for e-commerce and stuff like that. I made a couple stores, but I don't know. I prefer more WooCommerce.
Oh, okay. And yo, is there any way that you can make me like a website?
Yeah, bro. Sure.
Because I have one. It's still in the process. That's where I'm making my course and shit. It's through Teachable. But I don't know if I ever need you, I'll hit you up.
Hit me up, man. Hit me up. I mean, sometimes I'm busy and stuff, but we can work something out.
I used to do Shopify stores. That's where like my whole entrepreneur. Yeah, I used to do that shit. That was where my whole like entrepreneur shit. Like, bro, it's pretty cool. Like, I didn't make any money. I did get 1 or 2 sales, which was also very cool. But I did learn a lot, bro.
Yeah,
I learned how to make a website.
When the first sales come in, bro, that's a great
feeling. Dude, I actually got some motherfucker.
I'm doing one right now, though, for me.
For real?
I found a pretty cool product, and I want to test it out. I got in contact with a supplier in China, and they gave me great prices.
Okay.
Me too, man. I do a little bit of everything.
So how do you get suppliers? Like through AliExpress and Alibaba, or just
man.
like
Alibaba? Alibaba? Yeah. And you basically contact them and ask them for WhatsApp.
You text a whole bunch of Chinese people. Not
a whole bunch of them. You see the products, the reviews and stuff like that. And
yeah. My boy does that shit. He does. Well, right now he's running an Amazon store.
Yeah, SBA, I have that too.
Oh, fire. Dude, so you're in everything.
Yeah, man. I'm grinding, bro.
Good shit.
Right now I'm a little bit busy because I have a couple clients over here in Miami, and they have a big business, and I'm putting a lot of time on them.
Okay. Dude, good shit.
Little by little.
Oh yeah, dude. Where are you from?
Miami Gardens.
But like, you sound Cuban. Are you Cuban?
Bro, we were talking in the beginning. I'm from La
Oh my
Habana.
God, it was you. Oh shit, dude. My bad.
No, no, you're good.
Oh, okay. No, yeah, dude. But what was
Definitely,
I
man.
gonna say?
We gonna work something out with you, though.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm trying to I'm trying to do it by myself, cause bro, the more money I save, the better. And I also like learning new shit. But
I can teach you, man. I don't. That's really easy. I'm not gonna charge you anything for that.
oh,
I can just
fire, dude.
basically show you, the best hosting out there and stuff like that. Because
Okay,
you're gonna, you need a good host, so 'cause you're gonna bring a lot of traffic to the page.
a good host. What does that mean?
The host, that's where your page is gonna be.
Oh, like so, like a host
Yeah,
is kind of like Shopify, Wix. Like that's a host.
No, 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 no. The host is where you're gonna put your page. That's what you use to put your page online. Because when you build the page on, let's say on WordPress, you put any, what's it called? Temporary domain. Then you build the page and then
Okay, yeah, makes sense.
basically gonna be there. But now, you need to have the secure. It's a bunch of things, bro. We're gonna need a whole night for that.
I feel you. Gotta drop a course on that bitch.
But text me, man. Text me through my Instagram and.
Hell yeah, I know. I did it. Let me see. I think you texted
I'm gonna text
me.
you. I'm gonna text you to my private Instagram.
Oh yeah, it's right here. Digital Space Miami, right?
Yeah.
Alright, fire.
Yeah, we work here and then in Colombia.
I have hella messages here and like.
I imagine.
I lose my messages, dude. But I have your message here. I haven't opened it because I was actually interested in like what we were talking about.
Yeah.
So I didn't even open it.
I text you to my private one though. You can text me at any time. Yes, man. I have the other Instagrams on my account on my phone as well, and it gets crazy because
Yeah.
One account is like 110,000 followers, so it gets crazy.
Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, bro. But yeah, that was when I first started with my whole entrepreneur shit. It was Shopify. That was literally what made me move. I was 17 years old actually. 17, and I wasn't even able to open up my Shopify, but I was still studying for it. And then the moment I turned 18, I opened up my Shopify store.
Yeah, you were learning right when it started. Everything started.
Yeah,
the beginning of it.
It was like the pop. It was like, okay, drop shipping is gonna make you rich, and then everyone advertising it, and it was like, bro, like I want to be rich in 1 year.
I mean, man, the point of, when you have a Shopify store is just doing marketing on Facebook.
Yeah, exactly.
That's basically.
It taught me a lot of things. It taught me ads. It taught me a lot of shit, dude.
This is real. Seriously.
It was a lot of like very valuable information. I didn't make any money out of it, but I have a lot of valuable information now.
Mm-hmm. I mean, if you find a bomb product, bro, I recommend you to do it.
Yeah, I know that there's
Yeah, because right now, I mean, back then it was more sketchy, Not many people used to buy. There were a lot of scams out there. But right now, everybody has it. So people trust more.
Yeah, literally. But bro, I wanna keep on moving that. So I still pay for it. You gotta pay like $50 a month for it. I wanna start moving it again.
50? They increase the price?
Yeah, bro, I'm paying $50 a month.
Bro, good.
For what?
For like 30. I don't even know how
much.
much.
No, it used to be
No, Shopify was
No, it used to be 13.
It was like
$13.99.
13? Hell no, I'm definitely paying more. The thing is that I'm also paying for apps. You know how you could have apps on Shopify?
Yeah, the plugins.
Yeah, I'm paying for all that shit.
And if you get a theme like the Beautify, bro, another like 170.
Yeah, the Beautify. I pay for the Beautify. I pay for all that shit. And I don't even use it, but I want to start using it. So. And I don't want to freeze the page. It's like, hell no. That's like giving up.
Bro, if you have it, look for a good product. I can help you, man. I don't have any issue with it. Just text me, and whenever I have a time, we can get into a call and I'll help you.
Hell yeah, dude. That would be fire as fuck, actually.
I'm doing one right now. I'm gonna send you a picture later with the one I'm doing.
Ooh, fire. But what are you doing? You're doing a Christmas shit or like holiday shit?
No, man, you late for that already.
Yeah, it's already late as fuck.
What are you doing?
You gotta start like a couple months before.
You gotta, yeah, exactly. You gotta start like October shit, right? Like October, you gotta advertise Christmas.
Yeah, man. Listen, you gotta go. I mean, this is my business, so I know. You gotta think. That's the buyer psychology. So who spends more money out there? Women. And then
that's true.
Yeah, all people. So try to put products out there that you ask your girlfriend or your mom or someone. Hey, what do you think about this product?
Yeah. And then they're like, oh shit, what the fuck? And then that's when you know.
Mm-hmm. I mean, the margin profit you should make, I don't know, like 10, 15, $20 at least. You gotta, the prices they give you, you gotta put like $5 on top of it for advertisement and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yo, boys, when these highs break right here on 450, 142, 450, which is about to break right now.
Holy fuck!
Yeah,
You're
with
hella
10
in
pips.
profit.
I'm moving my stops to break even.
Holy fuck.
You're up 15 pips right now.
Yep. And you see, bro, we were down like what, 15 pips or 18 pips or some shit like that.
We're about to hit.
We saw 18 pip drawdown, and then.
That's what I call a legendary
what
trade.
a beautiful wick! Come on, create that bottom wick, flip.
Boom, stops to break even, boys.
Go, off you go.
She's a beauty.
Yeah, that 15-minute opened up pretty nice. W. You secure profits, JK?
There.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you're definitely gonna hit TP. Sprinkle dust.
Dude, and I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow at 10. Well, today at 10. And I was debating on going live.
Peace out, Jonah. Have a good night, brother.
Jesus, I gotta wake up tomorrow at 8 a.m.
Wait, no, I'm not going to sleep right now.
Oh, you guys are securing profits and going to sleep, huh? Oh. It's okay.
I'm in DJ Buys and good night. No, I don't think he meant that. Wait, did he mean that?
No, I was just messing with it. I was just messing because it correlated that after he said that, everybody else was like, oh, I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. Saying, oh, I have to wake up right.
You just stopped Ryan the 50 EMA. Ryan there.
Bro, that would suck if we break even. Honestly.
Why?
That would actually suck.
It took me out already, man. I put my trailing stop and.
Alright, beautiful. That would have actually been a good idea getting out at those highs.
I think some people secure profits.
But yeah, but hopefully we should be chilling, bro.
You don't use trailing stop?
No, cause I'm more of a scalper. I get out most of my position at 20 pips.
Damn.
Yeah, and then I also, cause you see this retracement right now, like I tend to hold these, right? Like right now we could definitely have like a rejection right now and then go and hit my take profit. I've seen it many times.
Where GJ looks like it could melt. So.
GJ?
Yeah. So both pairs could melt.
Yeah, bro.
Don't say that.
Damn.
Man,
hopefully
I
we get a little
have it
rejection
right there, bro, on the EMA.
Yo, guys, by the way, the Nightbot just sent the link to the FX Live Capital broker if you guys are looking for a broker to use with a live account.
No, Snipes, you good? Yeah, I know, I'm good.
You're great. Not good.
Yeah, we should be chilling here. I think we should get some rejection here, actually. Where we're at. Because think about it. Would you sell right here where we're at? With this bullish ass candle we just closed? No. So then, why the fuck would it go down? Think about it. It's as simple as that.
There you go.
Yeah, 600. It should have a nice retracement. Not right now. At 142, 600.
Whoa, what's up with that volume?
Woo! That's dancing.
I feel like I'm at Santa's Enchanted Forest with a
Remember, we got news coming in now, guys.
Don't remind me of Santa's, bro. Fuck that shit.
I low-key got a headache.
Dude, terrible, dude. I vomited. The bathroom didn't even want to flush, dude. It was so bad.
Oh my god, why did he keep going on the ride?
Yeah, dude.
I think he had a little shoddy he kept seeing, because he kept disappearing every now and then.
Yo, how old
it coincided he ran into some
I'm currently
girl.
20 years old.
It coincided
20
he ran into
oh,
some
nice.
girl he used to hook up
Yeah.
with this shit.
No way.
Yeah. I think he was playing,
Are you talking about me?
Yeah. Because it coincided that you would disappear, and then all of a sudden you would appear, and then it coincided that you ran into that girl you used to have a thing with in the past, and then...
No, she came to me, bro. We were sitting down at the table, and I looked back, and she's sitting down at the other table. And it was like, what the fuck?
She hit him with the, oh, so you're gonna act like I'm not here?
No. I literally told her that. But no, we have, dude, she's like my best friend, bro. She is my best
We
friend.
started off as close friends. We used to tell each other everything.
Yo, did somebody say there was news coming out or some shit?
I think I heard
40
that.
minutes.
Let me see.
Unemployment rate.
Which currency?
Alright, boys, we're about to take profit here. Buckle up, because we're about to make a bag right now.
You guys think there'll be a lot of volume with this news, even though it's yellow folder?
I haven't read though on over here.
Actually saying.
It's an unemployment rate.
Oh, that was close.
Oh, there you
One
go.
more pit. One more. Come on.
Give me that pit, boy. Give me that pit, boy.
Boom.
Give me that pit, boy.
Let's do it.
Alright, let's all say boom at the same time. 1, 2, 3, boom.
You gotta blow it, bro.
I think you gotta
Bro, blow.
I think you gotta play with it.
There you go. It was the blow. It was the blow.
Yeah, man. That's the one that works.
Yeah, now we know. When we're one people, we gotta blow, boys.
Stops to break even, Snipes, or what?
Nah, yeah, a long time ago.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Deserve it, bro. To make us suffer. Jeez.
Let's go. Fire.
I know there was people doubting me when we were down like 15 pips. They're like, nah, it's
I mean,
nice.
the interest was late, but it's all right.
Yeah, it was late, but there was a nice stop loss. It was a nice stop
No,
loss.
bro. We got right at the top of the week.
Love you, dog.
No, I know that was bad. I was like, fuck, dude. People are gonna hate me. Nah, but I mean, dude, honestly, I don't give a fuck. But it was looking bad as fuck. But then when we got the closure, bro, and then we made the bottom wick, I was like, dude, we're gonna wick fill this shit. That's what I told myself in the head. And then when it started going up, I was like, yeah, boys, this shit's gonna wick fill.
GJ's flying, man. If you were to go, get GJ down there, man. Whew.
Oh my god, GJ flew, bro.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god. 40 fucking pips, dude.
That's
40
why I was
fucking
worried.
pips.
Jeez.
That's why I was worried on EJ and couldn't melt. Both of them.
Holy shit, 40 fucking pips.
Man, nobody melting out here.
Yo, guys, like this YouTube video if you secure this trade profit. If you like the trade, you'd help us out a lot. Like it up, like it
TP smash.
Yo, Snipes, you fix the Streamlabs or no?
Dude, I didn't even try. I did try. I tried yesterday, but after we talked, I haven't tried. Because I'm just getting a new fucking computer, dude.
But what you getting, Mac again?
No, fuck no. Fuck no, you're tripping.
Bro,
I got a PC.
I just built mine, bro. Like, it was freaking nice.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna start doing. I got one, and then I'm gonna start like building it and shit. But I can start using it like just how it is, and then from there I'm gonna start building
What
it.
computer are you
Where you
getting?
get it from?
It's nice. It's from Walmart.
Oh, Walmart.
What
I got it in
computer?
Walmart, but it's nice. Dollar was the one that actually picked it up for me, and I trust him. So
Facts. I
I
think
bought everything on Newegg though. Facebook
On-
piece.
on where?
Newegg.
New egg? Oh, okay.
Did you buy your computer on Cyber Monday?
No, man, I bought it like
No,
a
no,
month
I was
before.
asking Snipes.
Oh, it's nice.
No, it wasn't Cyber Monday.
How come you didn't, bro? Cyber Monday has some good
I
deals,
don't know.
no?
I didn't even fucking. I did spend a bag Cyber Monday, but I didn't even think about getting a computer until like we tried to fix the shit and it didn't work.
Wait, what did you buy for Cyber Monday? I'm curious.
Dude.
Don't tell me you bought clothes.
First of all, I bought a phone.
Well, okay,
I got this big boy. I got the 14 Pro Max. And I got her a big ass deal, actually. I'm actually paying less than I would have been paying. Also, I got a bunch of clothes. Went shopping. And yeah, just a bunch of clothes. But yeah, let's see if this shit runs 40 pips. Hopefully it does.
But not gonna lie, on easy, it kind of looked like lower high. I was kind of scared.
Oh, lower, like for it to come down?
Yeah. But down.
That's it. I honestly don't give a fuck where it goes right now.
Nah, bro, the 4 hours flip on EJ. I mean, it's on it right now. It's flipping. We'll see what it does.
Holy fuck! Look at this wick.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 hours. 4 hours strong. Strong as rejection there.
Holy fuck! Rejected 60 pips almost.
Yo, by the way, JP, are you recording the Zoom?
No, since it's on YouTube.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah, Loki. I don't think I'm gonna start. I don't think I'm gonna keep recording the Zooms, okay? Just because it's on YouTube. It's like YouTube is like it stores the video for you. So.
Yo, hold up, JP. Do you hear that?
Yeah, it's him.
That's someone's mic.
Here, I'll mute him.
I don't know if it's.
No.
Oh, there we go. It was Atro. Yeah. He called himself. Or it was you, JP. Did you mute him?
Yeah, I muted him.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it was him.
Bro, looking at that tray, it was looking ugly for real, man. Those
That shit was ugly, right?
Yeah, bro. Those 2 candles in the 15 minutes.
That shit was bad, dude.
Yeah.
But bro, I never get out. Like, bro, I never get out. I was able to manage that, like not getting out until stop loss. Cause look at what happens.
Mm-hmm.
And you know how many times this has happened to me before, where like I'm down. Hello, I literally have a name for it. Me and Dollar have a name for it.
That's a part of the journey, bro.
Yeah, we call it the legendary trade. When we're like 19 pips in drawdown and we win the trade.
What do you call it?
The legendary trade, bro. Me and Dollar have gone through that shit where it's like we're at 19 pips and we're like, yo, legendary trade, and he's like, yeah, and then boom. So yeah, bro, I always tend to hold to my stop loss. That's why, dude. That's why I'm very strict on having a very clean stop loss.
Boom. And we're live. First of all, cheers, gentlemen. Another project completed. The only thing left to do is to bring your team.
Sorry guys, I don't have YouTube Premium. That was an ad.
GJ, bro. Jesus Christ.
GJ, what's GJ doing? Keep tripping? Oh, fuck. Look at that, GJ.
Bro, no,
Yo, JP, are you still holding that gold?
Yeah, look, I'll show you guys my trade. I'm currently up 300. I think it's. Let me see.
Let's go.
I feel like if you would have been looking at gold and you trade JP on the 15 minutes, you would have got in earlier.
Probably, but bro, I got in this trade. I'm only up 20.
I mean, you got a really nice entry though.
I got in this, so I literally sent the Zoom link. I was just with like, I think there was like 6 people, 7 people on, and then I was just seeing gold form, and then I was like, oh shit, it's looking pretty nice. I actually like this trade, nice area. I like how I had rejected this area over here, and then once it was like around here, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna execute. because we were breaking out of these candles over here, and I was like, I'm gonna execute. Nice. I liked my stop loss, and I just got in. Literally, I got in with the 7 people that were here.
Yeah, no, man. I mean, I got some pips with you. I got like 20 pips.
Oh, you secured profits? Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still up like 20.
It was nice, bro. No drug.
Yeah, it was no drawdown whatsoever. We literally just went fucking straight into profit. I still like the trade, like I said. Like I'm okay with stop loss getting hit, you know. So let's see. Gold could possibly test this 1785 area again. There's a lot of reaction at this area. Remember, let's look at the daily. Look how much reaction we have at this area over here. Look at the left. Look at all this reaction right here.
Daily.
And we had a lot of we had a huge bullish run, so that's why I also see us retracing a bit. 4 hour closes in, let's see, 30 minutes. Let's see how the 4 hour closes. I mean, the 4 hour could possibly close to continue to go to the upside. So we would, if this 4 hour closes a little bit more bearish, it would be nice. But we look how we broke out of this trend line over here, out of this 4 hour daily trend line. It's a 4 hour and a daily trend line. So we broke out of it, so we should see some retracement. So the retracement could possibly be a rangy section over here where it just ranges and then continues to rip up to the upside, or it could just come back and test this 1765 area to continue to go to the upside. So let's see. But for now I still like my gold trade. Either way, my 1-to-1 hit, so it was pretty nice.
I mean, you were 40 pips on profit.
Yeah. But I'm still up right now. With the 2 lots that I still have, I'm up like 20. I'm up 10 pips so far. 15 pips, around there. Up like $218.
I'm in for that gold trade. I had missed that shit originally because they went straight into profit. If it goes back to entry, I'm a sell.
The day he called the right way, man. He said he didn't even talk about anything. He was like, "Oh, I'm gonna go sell."
Timothy, yeah, bro. Hopefully you secure your TP1 if you're in the if you're in gold buys. Hopefully you win your trade, brother.
Damn, look at that rejection. 4 hour rejection. Damn.
Banger night. Yep, it was a banger night.
Yeah, we had some fun here.
Dude, I was just talking about Terrell about that when he left. He's like, "Yeah, bro, I think I'm gonna ride." I was like, "You're gonna ride already?" He's like, "Yeah, bro, I've been here for like 2 hours." I was like, "What do you mean? I've been live for only like an hour." He's like, "No, bro, you've been live for like 2 hours." I was like, "What?" When time flies, it's like
yeah, time flies, bro, when
like
we stream.
And I enjoy it. So that's how I know like I'm enjoying it. When time flies and I don't even like see it. I'm just gonna wait for this 4 hour to close in 30 minutes to see how it goes, how it plays out.
I'm thinking, bro, because I have an appointment at 10:30 a.m. I don't know if I should go to sleep.
Just go to sleep at 5 o'clock in the morning, bro.
You think the 30 minutes will do a difference? Because I want to stay, honestly. Like, I'm not even that tired.
Bro, just go to sleep and fucking... You'll get a 4 hour sleep, you'll go to the doctors, you'll come back, and then you can nap.
Bro, I haven't sleep.
It's actually a psychologist appointment.
You're going to a psychologist?
Yeah, I like them.
That's pretty good, brother.
I don't know, dude. I think it's very good to have a psychologist, even if you don't have any problems.
Bro, I have my girl, man.
Timothy, you can join our VIP, brother, and you'll be able to join everybody else here with the Zoom, and you can share your trade ideas and all.
Yeah, bro. I like going to the psychologist because they help you keep your brain intact. Like you could talk to them about any problem you have, and they'll actually help you out. Like these guys actually know what the fuck they're doing.
Timothy, the link is on the description, and it's also on my Instagram, so you can just go there and um, check it out. Pretty dope. You seem pretty cool and knowledgeable, bro. Would be dope to have you on.
GG is gonna sell off here.
With the background music, yo, this lo-fi music be hitting low key, especially when we get into like deep conversations or like we start talking about shit. Like it just goes with the flow.
It's like once upon a time.
Let me tell you.
We were sitting down, and the smoke shop person came in, and then we got robbed. So yeah, did they arrest her?
No, we didn't. We didn't have her arrested. We just gave her like a warning, and not a warning. We just gave her like a. We made a report so that if she ever enters one of the properties again, she'll get arrested for trespassing. So that's kind of her warning to not come to our shops ever again.
Oh, so you're being nice.
Yeah.
That's good. Did she give you like money back or something? Like,
she wanted to pay us for what she stole, but we told her we didn't want her money to just leave.
Oh, so you lost like money there?
Yeah, like $25.
Oh, that's some like. It's okay, better, bro. Like, just to have her leave. Like, don't give me shit. Just leave.
Yeah, bro. Bro, I'm glad. Like, bro, you imagine arresting somebody for $25, bro? What the fuck? Like, I'm not that person.
Nah. That would have sucked.
God has given me a lot of chances.
The thing is that she's built bad. She's a bad apple in this world.
Yeah.
So she's probably not gonna come in.
Bro,
to your store.
You know what I've learned about? You know what I've learned about sour apples? You know, just as long as you keep them away from the other apples, they'll end up going bad on their own. You know.
Yeah.
Fucking, as long as they're not in with the other good apples, then we're good. You know. So. She was like, oh my god, this is my favorite smoke shop. And now I'm like tripping. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I don't want to go to any other smoke shop. I was like,
no way. So she's gonna go steal from her favorite smoke shop. I don't understand people, bro. Dude, today I saw a video of some guy like going into Burlington and here like in Miami with a fucking bag and stealing $5,000 worth of like shit. But the guy didn't put a face mask or anything. Like he just walked in the store, grabbed a whole bunch of shit, and left.
Look,
and now this guy's on the fucking news.
You guys want to
like
see?
Dumbass.
You guys want to see a lady steal? Put a one in the chat if you want to see this lady. I have the recording here. Put a one in the chat if you want to see a lady steal. If you want to.
Bro, I want to see that shit.
Yo, facts.
Let me.
I want to see what a fucking criminal looks like.
Let me. I'm blurring my background. So look. There's no audio. This is from the Ring camera because we have a Ring camera right there by the register. So the only reason I recognized her was because they sent me a screenshot of her, right? And then, like, the bag was what I noticed. So I saw it was the same bag. And then on top of that, I was like, bro, this lady looks like her. But I didn't want to, like, say it's her. And then just because it looks like her, I was low-key looking for more confirmation.
If you want, Snipes, if you want veneers, let me know, bro.
Dude, I'm literally looking at it. Yeah. Wait, that's a video?
Yeah, it's a video.
Of her stealing?
Yeah.
Wait, restart it. I want to see it. Oh, it's that?
Yeah, she hasn't stole it. I think she has it in her hand. Look.
Bro, she definitely looks like she's about to steal some shit with that
She
bag.
has it in her hand. She put the disposable. So you saw? Did you guys notice that? Look, I'll rewind it.
Yeah. She put the disposable inside her fucking bag and she starts looking at the other one.
Yeah. So right now she has a disposable in her hand where the mouse is at, and look, it zooms. You see how the camera zooms in, and then
Yeah.
she just keeps having her hand. But the employee who was there is kind of fucking stupid. I'm low key gonna call her attention and call her out tomorrow. Cause
How the fuck did she not notice?
maybe she thought it was the one that she brought because she was selling it. So the one that she stole was like a sample. So I guess the employee thought that like, oh, this is hers. Look, here's another video of her like grabbing the disposable from the testing center. So she has it there.
There's a fucking testing center in your fucking smoke shop?
Yeah, she's looking at it right now where she could try out
What the
samples and shit.
fuck?
So she grabs it. She's testing it out. So this is why, bro, I'm definitely gonna call out this fucking employee, bro. Like, you gotta be a bimbo to let like, you know she's testing products out. You see a fucking, you see she has a vape in her hand. She
She got nicked out. She got dizzy and shit. Look at her. She's like, yeah.
Yeah, but the store looks nice. It's the
Yeah,
Hey,
JP,
brother.
store's fire.
Thank you, brother. Look, she looks cracked out. She's like, you see how she's like weaving, bobbing and weaving? She's like,
Yeah, she's like,
So then, when she pulled up to the store today, this is a picture that I get. So I saw like, you see, like I didn't even see the video when they sent it to me. I just see this black bag that she had, and that's how I recognized her. But that was pretty funny. I've low key like this whole session. I've also been calm because like I've been like looking at the cameras while being on the session just in case she tries to do anything stupid. Because I'm only like 10 minutes away, so if anything happens, I have to write out ASAP. Dude, if you have to steal like $20 for your addiction, that's like something else.
Bro, those people are sick, bro.
Facts.
They do it because they have to do it. You know, something pushes them, man. They
I don't think they have.
They can't control themselves, man. They see it and they will freaking go for it.
yeah, bro. I don't know. It's just people who they're used to it because they were grown into doing shit like that, like just taking people's shit. And honestly, bro, if you guys, any of you on here, on the YouTube or in the Zoom, if you guys are stealing shit, at the end of the day, yes, you're gonna be able to finesse. But long term, bro, it's gonna bring you bad shit because let's say you steal a kubi, right, or a disposable, right, from a smoke shop. Then from there, it's like, okay, you have the opportunity of stealing like a watch that you see, like just laying down because some idiot just leaves it there. There, you're like, oh, bro, I've already stolen shit before, so I'm just gonna keep on stealing. And it's like a whole snowball effect. And then there, you're gonna end up stealing bigger things that will get you in jail.
Bro, I had a homeless guy try to find me today too. After I gave him a free Dutch, like he literally came in, he's like, I need a Dutch. I was like, what can you do for me? And I was like, all right, $1. I was like $1.08. He's like, what can you do for me? You can hook it up or what? And I was like, bro, just fucking. I was like, here, bro. I fucking paid for his little Dutch, and then he turns around. He's like, what did you say? I didn't even say anything. He's like, what did you say? I was like, what? And I just fucking.
I'm like, bro, give me that Dutch back.
Nigga, it's crazy. Like, if that lady would have asked for, like, a free item or something, you know, maybe I wasn't like, feeling generous and I would have given it to her for free, but fuck that. Yo, JP, how'd you start that? Bro, I fucking grinded for, like, 6 months just working. And then, my partner is, like, my best friend, so then I pretty much went from like working there, and then I started like learning the managerial side, the administrative side of the business, learning the products inventory, knowing how to like order products, meeting the distros, meeting like our vendors and all that, and just grinding, bro. And then after that, he saw that I can put in the work, and he's like, bro, like, what if I just pay you a percentage, and then you'll have some equity, and then you just manage the stores and work it. So yeah, pretty dope.
What's up, man?
Eventually, the goal is to have like stores where like eventually I won't have to go in, and I could find somebody like me who can manage all the stores. But
Yo, JP, how much would it cost if you're trying to set up like a brand new shop? Like, you just have to do like an estimate to
it
set up like a
depends.
new vape shop?
It depends
Bro,
where. It all depends where, and really like the area, the rent. But like with like 75 grand is like a good average to open up a smoke shop. Um, Between at least 75 grand. What you really want to have is really like inventory. You don't want to just open up a smoke shop and not have any inventory. So that's really like your biggest investment, because rent is like, I don't know, at one location rent is like 7K, and the other location is like 10K, and then the other location is like 3K, 4K. So you find a good spot that is good enough. You want to have it like at a corner shop, at a corner store, or like in a plaza where it has a lot of traffic, where it's easily accessible. You don't want your customers to like have to like pull into a plaza and then have there be traffic, no parking spots. You want it to be easy, where they can come in, park, get what they need, and leave. You don't really want customers just hanging out there. So finding a good enough location where rent isn't too expensive, and if it's expensive, you want it to be reasonable. If it's a great location, if it has a lot of traffic, if it's easily like viewable. So like all our smoke shops, you can see it from like the street. You could be driving and then you'll see it right there. So yeah, but with 75 grand, 100 grand, you'd be like in the safe zone, where you have products for like like 2 3 months, 2 months. You won't have to worry. Employees, like you pay an employee starting like $12 an hour, depending where you are, right? Here in Miami, minimum wage is like $10 the hour, $12 the hour. It's increasing to 15, but so
Not yet.
yeah,
About how much is it like in sales a day, bro?
it that also varies. One store does like 1,000. Like sometimes a bad day would be like 500, 600, and then the first store is like our best one. The first store has an average of like, a bad day for that store is like $1,500 net. So not gross. Gross, like net would be after discounts and all that. 1,500, that's like a bad day. And then a great day would be like 2,500. That's like a good day. So we're like low key getting to like $3,000 a day, but we're trying to like break that $3,000 a day. So that's like 80 customers a day, almost 100 customers a day, with an average transaction of like $25. Then you have costs, which it's like everything in the store is like 50% marked up. So if we get something for $6, we'll sell it for 12. So we can offer discounts. We typically, our biggest discount is 10%. But like if I'll do like buy one get one 20%, and I could afford to do that 20%, because from $12 it's not gonna go, it'll be like $11 after the 20%, or it'll be $9 after the 20%. So I'm still making like $3 profit there. So then in rent pretty much pays itself in like a couple days, like a week worth of being open is pretty much paying itself. But then the third store is not open yet. The third store is in the process of being open. I think our third store is going to be the biggest one. And then our first store, we're moving location to a corner. Like right now in the plaza, we're like in a unit, and it's like a 2-story plaza. And then we're going to move it to like this corner store that's next to a bakery, and it's where it's at right now. What's there right now is like a check cashing. So check cashing people, their contract expires in this month actually, and they're not going to renovate the contract, so we're taking over their contract and we'll be there. So I think that one is going to take over all the other stores, but it's pretty dope, but we've already been robbed once. Some fucking kids came in our store and fucking robbed us. $250, a water pipe that cost like $80. They stole like a couple disposables, like probably $70 worth of disposables. They probably came up on like $400.
Yo, we have a vape shop. If it's like a small one, do you need like, can you run it with just paying one employee?
You could,
or
but
do
the
you have
problem
to?
with that one employee is they're not always going to be available. You have to assume employees are going to be available part time, you know? Like, it's hard to find. At the end of the day, it's also not just a smoke shop. You need employees who are good at sales, who are social. So at the end of the day, it's a sales job. It's not, it's a retail store. So everything has to be presentable, clean, and then your employees have to be good salespeople. Because if they're just, when you walk into a typical smoke shop, you have, typical employees at smoke shops are like, "Hi, how are you?" You know, they let you see what you want to see. Maybe they'll tell you or give you a promotion. Maybe they'll be like, "Oh, they'll inform you on if there's any deals on that one product you're looking at." You choose something and then they ring you up and they let you go. Me and all the other employees, the way that we were trained, that I was trained, the way that we train our employees is when a person walks in, you let them know of all the promotions. You know, when they choose a product, try to upsell them. Always upselling. If they say no, okay. Like if they go in for a Dutch, right? It's $1. But then what if they need a lighter? What if they need a grinder? What if they need a tray? What if they need, like at our smoke shop we sell Delta 8 THC. So it's like, oh, you're taking a Dutch, by the way. Since you're taking a Dutch, I'll give you 20% off on a grinder, tray. Maybe you need a lighter or a torch. Um, you know, they'll be like, oh yeah, like, I'll take a lighter. Sometimes it happens to me where like I don't upsell, and then what happens is they'll buy whatever they buy, and then they see that we have something else, and they'll be like, oh, I need this. So that's why I'm always trying to like let customers know of products that we have. They walk in the store, they get, let's say they take a water pipe, like a bong, right? I'll let them know, oh, by the way, we have some glass accessories like where you can freeze them and put them in a freezer, like your glycerin bowls, right? So like that, cause you know how when you get a bong, you want to hit it like cold, you put ice in the bong, and all that. So now you don't have to put ice, cause we offer glycerin bowls where you just freeze it, and then you would just put it on your bong, and then you could have a fucking nice cold hit. Or I'll upsell them to maybe they need something to clean their bong. So I'll be like, hey, since you're taking a bong, we have water pipe cleaners. This is really good for cleaning your bong. Oh shit, yeah, let me get that. Oh, since you're taking a bong, we also have some torches. Maybe you want to light up your torch because you don't want to use a lighter. When you use a lighter, you sometimes burn yourself. So with a torch, it's easier. So it's always like, but like I said, it's hard to find. Like me, these past weeks, I've been having to interview employees, hire new employees because we're trying to get more employees. So like when I interview them, I test their social cues. I've the other day we fired an employee because they're just like lazy, like they're just there like to just make money. I'm not trying to have anybody to just make money, So having just one employee is tough because then you're gonna have to work it. The employee is only gonna be available 40 hours. You can't overwork that employee because then you'll burn that employee. They're not gonna treat most employees don't treat the shop like it's theirs. When I first started working there, I treated it like it was mine. Like I'm the like at the end of the day, yeah, I didn't own the shop at first, but it's my shop. At the end of the day, I'm the one there, so it's mine.
Yeah,
So
I
it's
mean that's just your work ethic, bro. Like not
Yeah,
everybody's like that, bro.
yeah.
And like I have a food business, bro. I have a food truck, and it's hard to find employees, bro. Like good ones.
Yeah, firstly, you gotta know the business before getting
Well,
into
I
it.
didn't even know the business when I started working there, bro. I literally went in
I mean, but
there.
you got someone that was guiding you.
Yeah, so the guy who trained me, he was a manager at the time. He was just managing that one. He was managing 3 stores, and he was training me. He was training everybody else. I didn't know products. He didn't even think I was gonna be that good, to be honest. He thought he knew I was gonna be good because of my sales knowledge, but he didn't think I was gonna be good with product. And then I started selling fucking shit. I didn't even know how to explain it because I didn't even know the product. All I knew was just sell, sell, sell. And I wouldn't let people leave without upselling them. And I was like, I think my first week working on my own, I ended up winning the bonus because we offer sales bonuses. Every week we have a weekly bonus. So the employee with the highest average sale and with the employee with the highest average in that week ends up winning $125 extra, and then for the smaller store they win $60. So in like that first week that I was on my own, I won the bonus. So that's when everybody was like, yo, what the fuck, this guy just started working and he's winning the bonus. Like, holy shit. So then like I got everybody on their toes, and then people that were there for like a year were still employees, and then me, who I was only there for like 6 months, I ended up becoming manager, and then I managed a second store. After managing both stores, I had already known how to use a POS system because we use Square. So I've used Square before with like other jobs. So I saw like I picked up on a lot of shit, and like my boy trusts me. At the end of the day, it's like I'm like his brother in a way. So he was like, bro, fuck this, like I need you, and yeah. So now the manager who the guy was the manager at the time ended up becoming like the GM, right? And then he would just get my reports, and then there was another guy who also became manager with me, and then the general manager is now also an owner. Like he ended up the third store that they opened up, my boy opened up. He ended up making him like owner of that third store, and then I kept this store, and the first store is just there. So, but yeah, like at the end of the day, it's like a team thing. We also have a great team. Like it's literally four of us that really handle the business, and we're all on sync, you know. So it's like some advice I would give also, like finding that right guy who you can trust, who can be your right hand man, you know. We need him at a certain, like I slept at the smoke shop for like a week straight when we were opening up the third smoke shop. I was sleeping in the store. That's another reason why I wasn't going live on YouTube or New York, because I was too busy like focusing on that. Going to sleep at like 3 o'clock in the morning. I had an inflatable mattress there at the store where I would just sleep. Wake up at 10 o'clock in the morning, start grinding. From 10 to like 4 to like 3 o'clock in the morning. Just setting up the shop. Sleep, wake up, do it again. Well.
That's crazy.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, this motherfucker was sleeping in the store, bro. I would call him, and this guy would be fucking in his store, like at 4 in the morning. Like, yo, are you gonna like go home?
Yeah, at the time.
I'm pretty sure your dogs miss you.
At the time, also, it coincided when we were opening up the third store. At that time, that's when we got robbed at the first store. So, and since we had like, with the third store, we actually put in like 150 grand to open it, at least. And then my boy wanted to put in like 200 grand. He actually wanted to invest like almost 225 grand into that store. And we ended up only putting 150. And then so at the time I was like, bro, I think it's better if like we kind of sleep here, just so that we don't get robbed. Because if we get hit, whoever robs our store is gonna come up on 150 grand. And then that's just on like investment, right? Then you have what that could potentially turn into, which is profit. Remember, I had told you guys everything we mark up is at least, if we get it for $6, $12, so they could come up 100%. Like with 150 grand worth, they could come up on 250 grand or 300 grand on product. So I was just there sleeping with like fucking with my other boy there, who's like the owner as well. We were just there sleeping, fucking with a gun and everything, ready to like fucking. I actually got scared once because I had an inspector. Because you get inspectors, like when you open up a shop, inspectors come and they see if everything's good and they see your licenses and everything. But I had woken up at 8 o'clock in the morning to receive an Amazon package, and I forgot to lock the door, and then I went back to sleep, and then this lady comes in, an inspector, she just opens the door, and she starts talking to us, but we don't react, and the lights are off, and all of a sudden I hear something, I get up with the gun, and I'm like, who the fuck opens the door when there's lights are off? Like, are you fucking retarded? And this was like the inspector who we were kind of depending on to like open up, and she's still not allowing us to open. So fucking bitch.
GJ setting up nice for sales.
GJ?
Check that out. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see that. That's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie.
Mm-hmm. We got news on 3 minutes.
Do you guys like taking 2 entries in one day, or?
No, for me, I'm done. I'm
not. Yeah, I'm still in my trade. That's crazy. So.
On you. Shit. Damn.
Yo, Snipes, check your DM.
Oh shit! I was working on some shit. Let me see.
The boys.
Bro, I was gonna ask you how much for the veneers.
Bro, they had really nice prices a couple days ago. They had it on 1,800.
No way, for fucking veneers?
Yeah,
Where?
over here in Miami.
Wait.
I don't.
Dude, JP, I want fucking veneers, dog. We should get veneers, both of us.
I don't like veneers though because they rot your teeth.
Why?
They rot your teeth after a while, bro. It's not
Fuck, I'll keep
It
on going to
depends,
the
man. If
dentist.
you take care of them,
I mean,
Don't-
of
don't
course
really.
it's nice, but like I just don't like that shit. I rather get I rather just fucking. First, I like my teeth.
No.
I like my teeth, but
No, I like
my teeth could
veneers.
definitely improve. Like I definitely could improve my teeth and my smile, and I'll look more presentable. I agree with everybody who thinks that. But I'm like veneers. I used to like veneers, but
Man,
you
is
have
it-
to
it
maintain them
depends
every
who does it.
year, and then you have to like switch them out, and then eventually, like when you're old, they're gonna rot and shit. Like fuck that.
if you
No
do,
way,
if you
they
do
rot.
porcelain, it's gonna last forever.
Nothing's forever, brother.
Ah,
I mean,
JP,
a
come
long
on.
time, as long as you take care of them.
No, but there's something else that's similar to veneers. That's like, I think, was it what you said? Porcelain.
Porcelain, yeah.
I think that's the like, the healthier way where it doesn't rot your teeth, right?
Man,
I don't
you
know.
gotta take care of them. You gotta do. That's an investment,
No,
basically.
definitely. I
Kinda
do
like
think
that.
it's an investment, but it's not an investment that I am really.
And the other things you gotta take care of them.
I'd rather put-
once
I'd
a
rather
year
have
you gotta
them-
do maintenance and stuff like that.
I'd rather have Invisalign.
Yeah.
JP
No,
Snipes.
I like the idea. What happened, brother?
I'm gonna dip right now.
Oh, you're gonna dip?
Appreciate you
brother.
guys.
Later, Brody.
Later, yo.
I think I'm gonna call
me
it
too.
a night soon, low key as well. This 4-hour candle just opened up, so
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to sleep too, bro.
Alright, peace, brother.
all right, guys. I'm
Later,
gonna call it
bro.
a night here. So
Peace
you
out,
guys,
guys. Nice talking to you.
hopefully
boys.
all of you guys caught both bangers in the 101. If you're still holding, like I said, I'm gonna let my stop loss hit or my take profit hit. So Snipes fire trade, by the way.
Yeah, there you thinking.
All right, guys. Peace.
All right, see ya, guys.
Better, bud.